If you want to make money and you have no skill, degree, or previous experience, but still you are willing to do something for yourself to make some extra income, well, today I showed up with the easiest way to make money online, and you would literally make $1.25 per minute. You will get a video, and you need to type every word you hear, and that's it. You would get paid. There are no set office hours on this site, and you are not required to work from a desk. Instead, you can transcribe in your yard, at the beach, or even at a school if you are still a student. If you feel overburdened by your workload, take a break, unwind, and then get back to work when you're ready. Before we move towards our website, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where I always showed up with brand new money-making methods online. If you are willing to make a lot of money too, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. Make sure to keep watching because I will demonstrate to you guys how to do everything from top to bottom. This method is fully legitimate and all you need is a laptop, smartphone, or PC, whatever you have. Also, a stable internet connection is needed. Now open your browser and type typingtest.com and open the website. Or I will paste the website's link in the description box so you can open this website without any hassle. Everyone here is familiar with this website. We have been using this site since our childhood. Now that you can test your typing skills on this website, don't worry. The test is actually quite easy and only lasts 60 seconds. Down here, you can choose between two drop-down boxes. The first box determines how long the test you take will be, and the second box displays what your test will be. If you want to take the standardized test, choose the 1-minute test option as well as the medium text option. Click on the Start Test button to go to the test page. Here, you'll need to type the words you see on the screen as quickly and accurately as you can. Don't try to rush it because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low. Instead, just do your best. The timer will start as soon as you type the first letter. I won't bore you with a minute of me typing the test. Instead, we'll move on to the next section of the video. You will receive results as you finish your test. If you're not satisfied with your typing speed, you can click on the left-hand option that reads Typing Courses. You can double your typing speed by taking this course. They will give you your typing speed and accuracy, and you will multiply those two values to get your net typing speed. You should make a mental note of this number because it will affect how much money you can make with this strategy. So even if you're not satisfied with your typing speed, I still advise you to enroll in this course because you could potentially double the amount of money you make. After finishing the typing course, take the typing test again to see if your typing speed has increased. There's a good chance that it has. So once more, I want you guys to take note of your net typing speed and visit the website that will be paying you for typing. I'm talking about this website called rev.com. For those of you unfamiliar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words that you hear in videos. Don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is watch a video and type every word that you hear. There are 3 alternatives available to you, and the amount of money you can earn depends on which one you select. You can make money on this website through transcription, English captions, and foreign subtitles. If you selected transcription, your hourly wage would be $1.25, and you would only be completing simple transcriptions. The third option will pay us the most at $5 to $7 per minute, but it will also be the most difficult because you will be translating audio from a foreign language, so this is not for everyone. The English captions option pays us $1.25 per minute, but requires you to caption videos instead. Now, if you are still in doubt that this website won't work, then don't worry because as you can see below, it is trusted by over 170,000 customers across all industries, some of which are actually major companies like Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCN, which means it is absolutely legitimate because major companies like these would never support a scam. So just scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button right here that says Become a Freelancer, which will take you to a page where you can sign up for a free account. Now you have to fill in your basic information like name, email, and password. Now that the company section is optional, you can just leave it blank and check the second box to accept their terms of service and privacy policy. Then click Submit button. You'll have your totally free account and can start transcribing. I am going to share a bonus website where the competition is extremely low and they would pay you even better. You will always get transcribing jobs here. That is transcribe.me.com. On this website, freelance transcribers provide their services to clients. You will professionally work on this website and you will choose your comfortable hours and location. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If yes, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you with a new website. Take care.